Okay guys, today I have sort of a different kind of video. It's gonna be a lightsaber effect tutorial. So for this I'm gonna be doing 15 frames per second. Right here you have an average lightsaber turning on and he's just spinning it. Obi-Wan is just spinning it around. But we're gonna take this to the next level, alright? What we're gonna do is add some effects to it. That you don't need all these special stuff. You don't have to like buy an app or any of this. So what you do is you go into here, you go add drawing. You have to do drawing first, and what you should probably do is like between 40 and 50, you go to color, and he has blue, so I'm gonna pick I don't know, maybe that one. Okay. And the size depends on how close it is to the camera. That's up. So what you do is draw a line. Undo that. Zoom in. Get a little better with it. Draw a line. Now that's all you do for the coloring. Then you go add shape. Go format. I usually do this one right here. Done. And I don't know. I do this on Android, so I'm not sure how to like select it, and like, you know how there's the buttons on each side, on the corners, the top, bottom, and the sides, to like redo the size of it. But what I have to do is go like this. I have to duplicate it, sorry, and then I have to like line it up. I'm not sure if that's just a Samsung Android thing, but I don't know. So then you go edit, add, drawing, do the same thing, except now you just have the entire thing. Try and get it right down the middle or it'll look weird. Okay, I'm gonna go back here. I'm going to copy this so then you have the same size on each of these. You don't have to worry about that. So go here, paste. You go bam, duplicate. And it's a pretty tedious process here. And so there's a lot of different strategies to this. There's like different things you can do. So if I have 1, 2, 3, so three frames after this, so that would be 4 in total. So I'll go pause 4 times, because I'm just going to delete these because it's no movement. Make it a little easier. And then for the next step, you're going to have motion blur. It's a big thing of light swirling around, so you're going to have to make it a bit different. So here I go, edit, add drawing. But this time, since it's blurring, you're going to go like this. And if I sound kind of sick, I am. And then you go add, paste. Get it right. And you could also size it up a lot because they're going to be overlapping a little. So that's what I do. Duplicate. Bam. Duplicate. So I'm only going to show you one of these frames, and then I'll get back to you when I finish the rest. I don't know how to like screen record on Samsung, so I have to get like an app that just records everything on your screen. So if you see me scroll down from the top, that's what that is. So it might be a little weird there, but you won't notice it because it's going from there, bam, and it'll do the same there. So now I just go like this. And I'll get back to you when I finish that. Okay guys, so here's a finished product. So he goes up, turns on his lightsaber, he swings it. Looks a bit weird when it's not like going fast, but when it plays, it's pretty cool. You can see that motion blur right there when you like do the triangle thing. So I use that actually in my my stop motion called The Order. It was an Order 66 one, and yeah, I did that for like the lasers too. You could do the same thing as the lightsaber. So let me find it. Where is it? So right here, you can do the same exact thing. Like if you're holding a, hold on. So you have a green blaster bolt here. It's up in the air, flying, and then you animate this part over it. This part right here. So that's what you pretty much do. And I hope you guys enjoyed. I'm probably going to be doing more tutorials on this now that I have like a screen recorder thing. And so yeah, hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you next time. And please consider subscribing. I'm up to like 74 as the time I'm filming this video. So yeah, see you later.